Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by installing Gboard now, open the Play Store and hit Install. Once done, accept the permissions, microphone for voice typing, storage for personalized suggestions. Next, make sure to enable Gboard in Settings Right Arrow General Management Right Arrow Keyboard List. Toggle it on. You'll see a prompt to set default. Choose Gboard to make it primary. This first set of actions prepares the phone and puts the keyboard where you can use it immediately for typing, emoji, and voice input. You should now customize Gboard for how you type. Open the Gboard app from the app drawer. Tap Languages to add or reorder keyboards, then Theme to pick a color or background. This improves visibility. Next, enable glide typing and adjust autocorrect strength for fewer errors. Once done, go into Advanced Settings to turn on voice input, emoji suggestions, and clipboard syncing so your snippets are available. These details speed up typing and make Gboard feel like it was built for your habits. You now finish by testing Gboard in a messaging app. Type, glide, and use voice input to confirm functionality. If you need to switch keyboards, long press the globe or spacebar and pick Gboard. If things go wrong, lags, missed suggestions, or crashes, clear the app cache in Settings Right Arrow Apps Right Arrow Gboard or uninstall and reinstall. Make sure your phone has the latest system update if problems persist. Reset keyboard settings in Gboard Right Arrow Advanced. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.